Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Yvette with Yvette's Junk Journal Shop. I'm here today with a video. I'm going to share my plans for the December hashtag 12 by 12 Junk Journal Challenge 2024. So I will be creating a patchwork journal cover and take you through the process of that. And I'll be using a digital kit from Jesus Junk Journals. I'll put a link in the description box. So you'll want to check out the other co-host channels. That would be Dawn with Scrapbook Sage, Trisha with the Cool Cole Family, April, Mama Juju's Crafting on the Back 40, Joan with Joan's Junk Journals and more, Sheila, Creative Nana, aka Sheila, and then of course my channel is the sixth co-host. So together we have created a bunch of journals this year, so these are going to be the last 6 for 2024 for this challenge. We do plan to do the challenge in 2025, so stay tuned for that. So if you look through that hashtag 12 by 12 Junk Journal Challenge 2024, you'll see all the videos related to the journals, and we have 72 journals by the end of December at least that we've created this year. So we're getting those journals from our bucket list to our finish list. So these are some covers I've been working on. You guys may know if you've been watching my channel that I was in a car accident at the beginning of November. I'm still recuperating from that. So I've been crafting from my recliner, and these are journal covers that I can create as I'm sitting in my recliner. So I'm just going to briefly show these covers. I'll do a complete flip through of these journals in a upcoming video, but I just wanted you to kind of see the variety that you can create with a slow stitch patchwork cover. So you'll need some scrap fabric, I use perler cotton, but you can use any kind of thread, like embroidery thread. You'd want to double that because it's not very sturdy. So here is the journal cover I'll be working on in December and for this challenge. And I have a piece of batting, and then I've just simply cut out or used scrap pieces. I like mine to be a little more square or rectangle shaped. You could do like more like a crazy quilt kind of look to it by having random pieces, but I'm more structured than that. So I like the look of the other crazy quilt look, but I can't pull it off. So I just do what I do. And this piece of fabric, I don't cut fabric very easily. I have a problem with cutting fabric. So I made this about 16 inches wide by about 12 inches tall. And this will accommodate a 6 across by 9 long journal like the other ones that I just showed. So I'll be showing how I use either this is an Amazon package, but I've used some FedEx envelopes or priority mail envelopes, work great. And you can get 2 covers out of one of these envelopes. So in the upcoming video, I'll show how to cut that down and get that measured out. So this measures 6 by 9, which is the journal size. So once we put it in here, the cover is a little bit bigger than that. But let me pull one over here and you can see how it looks on the inside when we're all done. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but I fold the excess fabric over, stitch it all down, stitch around the outside, and then I cut with pinking shears just a piece of larger fabric that I glue in, and that's how I make that cover. So as you can tell, they're kind of squishy sounding, which is cool. And so I'll be showing how I do that whole process in an upcoming video, but for now I'm just going to show you the plans for this red journal. So let me get this back on. As you guys know, I don't want to lose anything in the process here. And then again, I'll show how to cut these down. The priority envelopes are great because it just is very simple and makes 2 covers. So let me move this out of the way as well. Okay, so here is the kit that I'm going to use. Again, this is from Pam Sled over at Jesus Junk Journals, and I will put a link in the description box. So Some of them are double-sided, some are not, and most are upside down, I'm seeing. Should have thought of that before I put this on here. So I'll just go through this kit real quick. So this is the Proverbs 31 journal kit, and it's really cute and retro, so you guys will see that as I'm going along here. So here we have the whole Proverbs 31 printed out. That is white on the back, so you guys know in my journals that's the side I decorate. Keeps me controlled on how much I put in there, but some of these are double printed, so I will be using the printed side on some of these. I haven't trimmed off the white yet. I always trim that off. Just gives a cleaner look to the journal if the pages don't go all the way to the edge. So these are all white on the back, but we definitely have that vintage 50s, 40s, 60s vibe going on. There's this plain yellow one. I'll probably put more yellow pages in, like copy paper or something like that, because of the colors that are in here. So as you can see, each one of the Proverbs 31 scriptures is here on a different little thing, and then we have all these other fun elements that are going to be so great in here. So here we have again that retro vibe. I just love it. There's a little bit of a travel theme, and there's a little bit of a sewing and cooking theme as well. So, and then she has different elements on here, and she has on her channel a whole series of how to put these things together if you need assistance with that. So I haven't cut these apart. Some of them I will use the elements as she has determined them to be used, but some of them I'll just do my own thing. That's just how I am. So these are little ruffles that you could use as a pocket. Here we're getting into the sewing or creative side of things. Makes coverings for herself, so we have these paper dolls. I love that. So that'll be fun to work with. And then we have a couple of pockets here and a couple of coin envelopes. And then this is a needle case, so you can use these as journal cards like they are, or you can actually make it into like a faux needle case. That would be fun. We'll see how I do with that. And then we have some vintage images, ephemera, advertising, things like that. And then here we have tabs that we can put on the page edges to divide the journal up, you know, for like the cooking portion. And then this little apron is really cute, and the purse too. So the purse, what you do is take this section here. This is the pocket that goes on the purse. This pocket goes on this section of the purse, which is the inside of the purse. And then you attach this on the bottom, and it flips down and has a reveal. And then the apron, what I was thinking about doing is folding it here so it's like a flip up, and it has little pockets. You have the option of one big pocket or two little ones. And then here's some belly bands, page edges, things like that. So she used them to overlap some recipes, but I'm going to use them as page trims and things like that. Here's another one of those cute little aprons. And another apron and purse. Just love that. And then these are pockets. So this she has a tutorial on how she uses those to create a pocket. So what you do is take two of these, put them on here on the corners, and then this one comes on the top, and you have 3 tuck spots. So you could use this on the page that she provides, or just use it on the page within the journal. And then here she has different pockets that you can use. 3-tiered overlapping pocket and a corner pocket. So those are, again, all on her channel. She shows how she uses those in a kit. Then we have a specimen card, and then we have a bunch of these pages that are printed out because they're recipe cards. So there is the kit we will be using. I think it will be a lot of fun. So check out Pam Sled at Jesus Junk Journals. I'll put the link to her YouTube channel, as well as to the kit available on Etsy. It's a digital kit, so you can purchase it and then print it out. This is all printed on cardstock, so it's going to be a little bit heavier duty, and then I don't have to back things as much. So again, check out the hashtag 12x12 Junk Journal Challenge 2024, and then join me in an upcoming video as I show you how to take this and create a pretty journal cover. So thank you so much, everybody, for watching. Thank you for your prayers and thoughts at this time as I continue to recuperate after my accident. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.